Hello friends, here on this video how you can use two apps in one screen. You can say two in app on your phone. If you don't know how to use, then I'm going to show you, and I will show you how to even remove these dual apps on your phone also, so you can watch till end. And friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on setting. After you move on setting, from here you are going to find many features, but no need to scroll down. You just need to click on search button, and here you just search for the twin, or you can search for the dual. If you don't find, okay, dual app, or you can search for the twin app, or you can just search for the, there is many options to search for the twin app. Okay, just search for the twin app. Then here you can do Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and the WhatsApp. You just need to activate this icon. Suppose I want to activate for the Snapchat, so I just activate for the Snapchat this icon, and sure it will show that Snapchat has created twin app. Let's check for the Snapchat. So here's my Snapchat first, and here's my Snapchat second. So if you want to create like these two apps for the Snapchat, then you can use two apps in one screen. You can log in another ID also if you want to use it. Okay, let's start for the Snapchat, and I have to insert my app password. Here's my Snapchat second. No need to insert the app log. Okay, so that's why it's two different. You can use two times two ID. Okay, so friends, if you want to remove your Snapchat, then again you have to move on setting. Just move on setting. After that, again you have to search for the app twin. Then here you have to move on app twin icons. Then after you, when you move on, suppose you have activated for the Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, etc. If you want to turn off, then you just need to tap again on this icon. After that, here it says this will permanently delete the twin app and all its data delete. So just tap on the close, and after that the twin app will be removed successfully from your screen. Okay, so here example, like I'll show you again. Here is my first Snapchat, and the second Snapchat has been removed, the copy Snapchat. Okay, so this is how you can use this twin app on your phones or any devices. You can use this app not only on our phone, even on different smartphones you can use apps. Okay, or you can see this trick. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. And friends, you may think that how, if you are interested to use different types of ID on different types of apps media, then you can use this twin app on your mobile phone if you are interested. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching. Bye.